bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, welcome back. I have some really fun embellishments that I am making, and I wanted to show you guys how I created these embellishments. Really simple, really easy. I mean, I'm talking about like 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to include these embellishments as part of my Halloween series because I'm just kind of like starting to get like in the mood to start creating some really fun embellishments for Halloween. And so I'm not going to add this to the series, but I do want to show you guys how I created this really fun, super adorable. Look how cute these embellishments are. Using a few supplies and super duper easy to create, okay? So let's get to it. What I'm using is these spider webbies doilies that I got at Tuesday morning last year. They come in 3 different colors. They come in silver, they come in black, and then they come in white. And I'm really happy that I came across these because they're small enough that I can make really fun embellishments out of them. I'm also going to use these really tiny little spider web die cuts that I also got at Tuesday morning last year. And these are just so fun to use. I love them. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to use some cupcake liners, okay? The cupcake liners that I'm using is basically these from last year. And I'm just going to create a nice little, kind of like a nice little embellishment in the center of the spider web, just to kind of give the embellishment some dimension, okay? And I also have my hot glue running for me in the side. So let's add some hot glue to the middle of the spider web. And I'm just going to add my cupcake liner right in the center, just like that. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Give me 1 second, guys. Just give me 1 second. I am running the bath because after this tutorial I'm planning to take a nice long bath, and I had to make sure that it wasn't going to overflow. Okay, there you go. So that's that, right? That's perfect. That's easy. That's simple. Let's add our little tiny spider web right in the center of the embellishment. I'm so excited for Halloween, guys. Clearly, right? I'm doing a Halloween embellishment. I'm super duper excited. I'm putting my stuff, I'm organizing my Halloween little section, and I am getting so many ideas to do for you guys. Getting so inspired, getting into that like Halloween spirit. I already started decorating my house. I am super duper early this year, but you know what? I really don't care. I mean, there is no rule into when your Halloween decorations should be going up. It is up to you, and I decided that I am ready to bring everything out. All right, so now that we have our little embellishment basically all ready for us, we're going to add the cute little stickers in the center of the embellishments. Now, these little stickers I got at Michael's last year, they're super duper adorable. You guys remember, if you guys watched my last year series, you will remember that I used these in some of the Halloween's, I don't know, tutorial. I don't remember which one, but I remember I did use some of these. And I have tons of these left over from last year, guys. I have so many stickers left over that literally I do not need to get any more stickers. So what I did was, for the ones that I want to use, I'm going to use this one right here, and I'm also going to use let's see, the green monster right here. So I thought this was really super cute. Oh my God, let me put you a bit closer. I thought these were really super cute to add. Now for these little monsters, I added the little googly eyes. I don't know if you can see there, but I added the little googly eyes to some of the pumpkins because I thought it would be cute and it would be a good idea. to do that, okay? So before we do that, we're going to add some dimensions in the center of our little spider web, because when we add the little sticker on top, we want our sticker to have a little bit of dimension, okay? So here I have these dimensions, double-sided little tape, and I'm just gonna add that right in the center of my embellishment. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is, I found that it will be easier to do it this way, because I kind of did it the other way. I first put the sticker and then I added this on top. It was a little bit difficult. So the easiest way to do is add your little either string or twine or whatever you have to incorporate into the embellishment. I'm using these like, I don't know what these called, but these are little fun little strings that are just absolutely adorable, and I love to use them for this series. And so, or for the Halloween and also for Christmas. Actually, I use them for everything. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap this around the center of the spider web, because I want it to kind of give a little bit of a nice little fun look to the embellishment. So all I did was just basically just wrapped it around the double-sided dimension, so that when I add my little sticker to the front of it, it's kind of like in a good area, okay? I mean, you can also add the stickers and then add this after, but you know, whatever makes it easier for you. It makes it easier for me to just add this first and then my stickers, but it is really up to you, and you can decide. Okay, so now that I added my fun little string and I wrapped it around, now I'm going to add my sticker. So I'm going to remove the backing of this. And I'm going to add my sticker to the center. And we're basically done, guys. This is such a simple, easy little tutorial, but I just want to get you guys to the Halloween crafty vibe, right? They're super cute too. Actually, I might use these for another project that we're going to do. All right, so I'm going to add my stickers right in the center of that little dimension. Before I do that, I just want to add a little bit of a little bit of hot glue to my sticker, because I don't want it to fall anywhere. And I'm just going to add it right in the center, as you can see there. I'm going to add my little green monster as well, right in the center. Boom. And we're basically done. The only last thing we're going to do is we're going to add some of these little bows that I created with these like this twine that I got at Michael's, and I'm just going to add them basically one on one end and one on the other, and that's basically all. That is simply all we're going to do to this adorable embellishment. Boom, right there, and boom, right there. Now, the best thing about this embellishment is that you can create so many things out of it. You can make these as cupcake toppers. You can make them as embellishments. You can make them as buttons. You can make a nice little flag, not flag, a nice little, what do you call it, banner if you want. There are so many things you can do with this adorable embellishment. But as you can see, look how simple and easy that turned out. In no time, right? Literally no time. Look at that. So what do you guys think? How cute are these embellishments? I love them. I absolutely think they're super, super cute and adorable. I just love these stickers. These stickers are just so adorable, guys. They're super cute. Okay, my loves. I hope you like this tutorial. Super duper short, right? Less than 10 minutes. Oh my God. I don't think I ever made a video less than 10 minutes. That's freaking awesome. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you so much for your awesome comments. I hope you guys like this short, easy, simple tutorial. And I hope that you guys are looking forward to see more of these awesome little tutorials. I'll see you guys soon on my next video. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, and that's basically it. I love you all and have a fantastic weekend, honey bunnies. Bye.